Hi, everyone. This is Ken with Ken's Insurance Agency. We're coming to you today to talk to you about two of our great products that are advertising products. These are for commercial businesses. We will be starting to advertise them also in our commercial product line. This is going to be on advertising. Some of it will be ways to save money also on things you already buy. Some will be just saving money on advertising. So let's get started. The first is okay, why did my screen go blank? The first is royalty. Basically, this is a no contract deal, so you get it and you can use it. What they're going to do is they'll develop you a little website, develop your landing pages, and do email campaigns, and they'll self-develop all this to where it's proven to work. You'll also get targeted marketing. They will also market on social media, different places like Forbes and other different places for you to try to attract people to you and stuff. This is very affordable, a very great way to basically start building your business. You can contact us if you want to get more information. Also, when we post this video on our social media page, we will have our links for both you to go here and review, start for free for 3 days, and even pay. So we'll be giving you those links out. The next service, you'll have to actually contact me by phone. That's the only way we have to do. And it's a great service, great way of basically saving money on things you'd already buy, whether for your business or for yourself. So this one also can be used for personal things. Also, it has a way, if you get the lifetime membership, to advertise your business.
Hello and welcome to Team National. My name's Robert Faison. I'm from a small town in Arkansas, and background was dairy farming. I was actually introduced to this company many years ago by a friend that asked me to take a look. And like many people, I was skeptical. I had actually tried one of the multi-level type marketing companies before and was not satisfied with my results. And I thought this was the same. He convinced me to take a look. I'm glad he did, because I found Team National is quite different from the other companies in this industry. My background was dairy farming, and after a forced auction in the dairy business, I was struggling around. I was actually working about 80 hours a week doing 3 different things, running a couple of businesses. And so I didn't have a lot of time, but I was really attracted to this because it was different from any other company I'd ever seen in this industry. The membership that the Team National offers, $795 for 2 years, that equates down to about $400 a year. And I saw, for instance, for me personally, just using their Big End Marketplace, getting rebates back on everyday shopping I was already doing, from shampoo and toothpaste to paper towels and toilet paper and so forth. that I would get that coupled with the cell phone discount that I get. That alone was probably 3 times more savings than the cost of the membership. The lifetime membership's only $21.95. That one amortized over your life is even less than $400 a year. So once again, I would have bought what Team National was selling, even if there wasn't an opportunity attached to it. Now, I'm glad there was, because we started part-time, and within about 90 days was earning more than our full-time income. So we was able to walk away from those 80-hour weeks and be able to spend more time with my family and so forth. In fact, over the years, we've even been able to buy our dream home in Arkansas, a second dream home, a winter home, so to speak, in South Florida, where we get to spend a lot of time in the winter and golf when it's when other parts of the country is a little too cold to do things like that. And even a over 100-foot houseboat that we spent a lot of time with our family on the lake there in Arkansas. So been able to pay cash for those thanks to the opportunity. So I'm excited about it. I'm going to be, over the next few chapters on this DVD, breaking down the compensation plan into each component so you can understand it and see why I'm so excited to be a part of Team National.
Could you use more time and more money? Most Americans could use more of both. Today, more than ever, people are taking their future into their own hands. Many Americans are exploring ways to work on their own time schedule. If time and money weren't an issue, what would you do? If you continue to do what you're doing, will time and money ever not be an issue for you? Imagine what you could do if you had more time and money. The U.S. economy is trending up, and unemployment is near an all-time low. Yet most people are still in debt, working too many hours, not spending enough time with their family, have little to no savings, and living paycheck to paycheck. Dave Ramsey, successful entrepreneur, speaker, and best-selling author, says, "You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you." Many Americans look for ways to cut costs and save money on services and purchases they make daily. But the reality is, you can't save your way to financial wealth. You'll still need a way to have an extra stream of income to help you secure your financial future. There are essentially 4 ways to make money. 1, you can get a job and get paid for your time worked. Yet, since you don't work for yourself, a boss will dictate the number of hours you work and how much money you make. 2, you can be self-employed, which means you pay yourself for the time worked. You can choose how many hours you work, but you're still trading your time for money. 3, you can invest your money to hopefully increase your income, but most people don't have much money to invest. 4, you can own a business with a proven system that allows others to work with you and leverage each other's time, creating a passive residual income. So you're not only getting paid for your time, but also for the time spent by others in your business. An option millions of Americans are utilizing is something that has a small startup cost, has strong interest from the masses, that you can do on a part-time basis from the comfort of your own home. We have a solution that's been working for tens of thousands of Americans across the U.S. for the past 2 decades. Our product specializes in the solution to the largest problems in America today, the economy and debt. We help individuals, families, and businesses save money on things they're already buying with an incredible opportunity to earn additional income as well. Our goal is helping you and others put thousands of dollars back in your pockets. According to a NerdWallet study, Americans' most pressing financial goals over the next 10 years are paying down debt, saving more money, avoiding further debt, saving for vacation, and opening a retirement account or ramping up contributions to an existing one. Get with the person that shared this introduction video with you to learn more about our exciting program. It will take less than 30 minutes to explain the power of our program and how together you can save more and earn more.
Hello, my name is Angela Laura Chrysler, President and CEO of Team National. Here at Team National, we believe in the American dream and have helped Americans achieve their dreams for over 20 years.
Each generation has different views about how they define success. Some see it as being debt-free, flexibility to travel, Some see it as purchasing a home, having an investment portfolio, or a retirement fund. Some see it as having money for their children's schooling or time to attend family events. How you define success is based on you, your needs, and your dreams. We believe, regardless of your age or financial needs, that we all want to live life to its fullest, to make a difference, to provide something meaningful for our family, to be part of something that matters, and to be our best self. Yet life gets busy, and we don't always take time to create the memories we intended or live the life we imagined. And we get stuck in a daily routine that isn't fulfilling. We want to make a difference and help you live the successful life you've always imagined. There are plenty of opportunities to earn additional income, yet none are quite like Team National. We offer more than a way to earn extra money. We connect you with a community of success-minded people that believe in helping others, supporting charitable causes, making a difference, bringing families together while learning and passionately going after their dreams and their definition of success. What fuels Team National? Why do we do this? We love helping people and providing hope. Our desire is to empower individuals and families with long-term financial independence. We are committed to providing value to our members and inspiring the dreams of our independent representatives. We help people live a life that's fulfilling, provide a valued product, and provide an opportunity that is transformational versus transactional, unlike other opportunities available today.
I've been in the financial services industry for 18 years, and what I found is that most people haven't saved enough for retirement or have way too much debt. With Team National, what we found is that not only can you save for retirement, but you can get out of debt in a short period of time.
What do we do? Team National provides a membership that helps individuals, families, and businesses cut their expenses and receive cash rebates. We negotiate with brand name companies to lower prices and or provide cash back by utilizing group buying power. Here's the deal. Instead of us spending money on retail space and advertising, we pay independent representatives for sharing our product with others. And as a Team National membership owner, you can join hundreds of thousands of people and leverage group buying power savings and value-added services.
We were able to take advantage of the jewelry benefit. I bought her a 6-carat diamond bracelet that appraises for $6,500. We paid $1,850.
You can feel good sharing Team National with others. Team National is a member of the prestigious Direct Selling Association, the DSA, and there are thousands of direct selling companies in the U.S. There are approximately 200 member companies. Every member company pledges to abide by a strict code of ethics, standards, and procedures. The direct selling industry generates billions in sales, with around 20 million Americans and about 1 in 6 U.S. households involved in direct selling as a customer or representative.
We were multiple business owners for years, but in reality, our businesses owned us. Thanks to the income from Team National, in just 9 short months, we were able to walk away from those businesses and get our time back.
How do we do it? Through group buying power. We secure discounts from nationwide manufacturers on products and value-added services. This translates to thousands of dollars in savings every year for our members. Team National continues to grow because our program is designed to help put money back in your pocket. We want to help our members spend less on items they're going to purchase anyway. We partner with name brand companies and negotiate terrific prices and services for our group without the typical retail markup. You can't do that as an individual. When you join our group, you get the convenience of buying what you want, when you want it, while enjoying great savings.
What I love about Team National is using the membership, you'll save more than it costs you.
We provide value to our members in 4 main areas: group buying power, factory direct pricing, business services, and rebate programs. Group buying power has a variety of savings to help you cut expenses. We help people spend less on everyday items, such as 22% on qualified plans with AT&T, a discount with Sprint, auto and home insurance from MetLife. We also provide savings and value on vehicle purchasing and extended warranties, car and truck rentals, custom jewelry, legal and technical services, Aflac supplemental insurance, life insurance, exclusive discounts through Hotels.com, and health discount solutions.
We're able to save on dental, vision, prescriptions, and can even call a doctor 24 hours, 7 days a week over the telephone.
Our Factory Direct division offers home and commercial office furnishings, Shaw and Del Tile flooring, mattresses, outdoor furniture and grills, and home improvement related items shipped directly from the manufacturer, therefore with little overhead, giving you the lowest price possible and easy delivery, translating into a savings of up to 55% off.
We love our outdoor kitchen. We shopped it at an outdoor patio store. The Team National Factory Direct delivered it and saved us over $1,000.
This bunk bed was one of the first purchases we made after joining Team National, and we saved over $700.
Business Services provides business savings with payment and payroll processing, as well as other great benefits. We offer great payment processing rates with average annual savings of $2,061, as well as no startup or termination fees, and a free terminal solution. Through our partnership with ADP, the payroll market leader, we offer up to 50% savings on payroll processing fees, and this is valid for current ADP clients.
As a business owner, we saw the advantages of saving through credit card processing, and we've been able to save on average of $1,200 per year.
Through our exclusive business exchange directory, members can save locally, and the participating business owners can utilize the Team National Business Exchange for a nominal fee to advertise their traditional business with our loyal members.
We love the business exchange benefit because it's a win-win. Our local businesses get added customers and we get a better deal.
We offer rebates in several areas, such as online shopping at name brand retailers with rebates typically between 2 and 30%, and additional rebates on home purchases, mortgages, and energy services in those states where it's available.
Not only am I saving time, but I'm also saving money. And the more I spend, the larger my rebate checks are.
We also offer high-quality consumable products. Members can shop online to purchase our private label products at great prices. We have our own health and wellness line. With our variety of products, members receive excellent pricing of up to 50% lower than industry standards on average. Plus, an independent representative can create an additional stream of income with Team National's consumables.
You got to take vitamins. Why not take them from Team National? Besides that, these are better than anything you can buy, and they cost a lot less. I love the TN Essentials. I use them every single day.
We've highlighted some, but certainly not all of the ways our members can save and earn. We often add new and improved savings. We offer 2 membership options, a standard 2-year membership that covers an individual and their household. It's only $795. We also offer a premium lifetime membership. It's our most popular membership. It covers your household, your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, parents and grandparents, and it covers your business and 5 employees. It's only $2,195.
We chose the lifetime membership because we saw how we could save thousands of dollars over the course of our lifetime, our children's lifetime, and their children's lifetime.
Just imagine all the savings for you and your family with our premium membership. What's your risk using your savings membership? 0. Many people save more than the cost of their membership the first year. What's your potential? More savings and more flexibility.
Well, the 2 things that excited us the most about the opportunity was no risk. We're going to save more than the membership cost just on things we was already buying. And number 2, our friends hadn't heard about this yet because none of them had called us.
How do you get started? Choose a membership that's right for you. And if you desire to earn income, sign up to become an independent representative of Team National. We call our representatives Independent Marketing Directors, also known as IMDs. It costs $55 and includes Get Started materials. We also provide our IMDs essential business building tools and other benefits with a Team National All Access subscription.
Prior to Team National, we were multiple business owners, never afraid of hard work, just never had the right vehicle. But when we found Team National, we found the right vehicle.
You can be an IMD and share our concept with others, or purchase the membership alone and enjoy the savings. Or, like many, you can enjoy both. It's your choice, your life, on your terms. Many people look for ways to cut costs and save money on services and purchases they make. But the reality is, You can't save your way to financial wealth. You need an extra stream of income to help you secure your financial future. There are essentially 4 ways to earn money. You can get a job and get paid for your time worked. Yet, since you don't work for yourself, a boss will dictate the number of hours you work and how much money you make. You can be self-employed, which means you pay yourself for the time worked. You can choose how many hours you work, but you're still trading your time for money. You can invest your money and hopefully increase your income, but most people don't have much money to invest. Or you can own a business with a proven system that allows others to work with you and leverage each other's time, creating a passive residual income. So you're not only getting paid for your time, but also for the time spent by others in your business. The reality is, employees and those self-employed make up 95% of the population and only make 5% of the wealth. Yet on the other hand, business owners and investors make up 5% of the population and control an astonishing 95% of the wealth.
With my traditional job, in order to make more money, I had to work more hours or take a second job, which took me further away from my family. With Team National, I don't just get paid on my efforts alone, but on the efforts of my entire team.
We have the solution that's been working for Americans across the U.S. since 1997. Team National IMD. You own your own business and can create an incredible income without a big investment. No employees and no inventory.
We were introduced to Team National in our 20s. In the first 90 days, we were making twice as much money from Team National than I was making as a high school basketball coach. We had no background in business. I wasn't sure if we could do this or not, but with the help of the team, it was no big deal. Trust me, if we can do it, you can do it.
Here's the deal. Chances are you know and connect with people that like saving money. And with Team National's system, you can build a remarkable, fulfilling business with like-minded individuals. We are confident people you know will want to join our group, be a Team National member, and save money. Let us explain our exciting compensation plan. As an IMD, which is an independent representative, you receive points for the retail sale of our unique savings membership. Points are earned from your personal sales and from your team's sales. We have a proven system to help you share our program and our savings membership. As an IMD, you'll receive 1 point for each standard 2-year membership sale and 3 points for each premium membership sale. When you accumulate 10 points on the left and 10 points on the right, because of you or your team's sales, you earn a $1,500 check, and this can happen weekly.
In our first 30 days, we hit our 10 and 10 and got a $1,500 check, and that helped us pay for our daughter's private school tuition.
In this example, we'll begin with 2 membership sales. We'll call them Bob and Sue. You are now bonus qualified for 1 year and eligible to earn commissions. So let's say Sue shares this with others. Her 2 3-point sales would go under her. You make another 3-point sale and you put it under Sue. You would have 10 points on your right. Isn't that exciting? When you make another 3-point sale, you could place it below Bob. If Bob is also an IMD, he makes a 1-point sale and a 3-point sale. They could go under him like this. So let's count the points on your left. 1, 4, 7, 10. And on your right, 3, 6, 9, 10. This means you've earned $1,500. Notice you've sold 6 of the 10 points on your left and 4 of the 10 points on your right. The other points came from your team's efforts. Team National pays you for your team's sales. It doesn't matter where the sales occur in your organization. They all count for you. It's called unlimited depth.
What we love about the $1,500 progression bonus is that it provides unlimited depth. You can be from 5 levels deep to 500 levels deep, and those points are going to roll up and count for you.
Team National can pay through unlimited depth because anything over 10 and 10 doesn't count for the following week. Unlike most companies that pay commission monthly, Team National pays commission weekly. We pay every week you accumulate a minimum of 10 and 10. It's also really exciting that points count for you from all membership sales regardless of who obtained them on your team. We reward teamwork. There's no limit to the amount of membership sales you and your team can make. Therefore, with more activity, you and your team can earn more.
It doesn't take an army to get this thing rolling. You help two friends get started, help them help two friends get started, and the next thing you know, you got a team.
Remember, when you accumulate 10 points on the left and 10 points on the right, because of you or your team's sales, you earn a $1,500 check. Imagine what just an additional $1,500 a week or a month could do for you. There are several ways you can earn additional income. For example, every time a person you refer earns a $1,500 check, you receive a $1,000 check. It's called a hosting bonus. You can host as many people as you want. The hosting bonus makes our compensation plan different because it's not based on your individual sales. Instead, it's based on your personally hosted team sales.
When I understood they would pay me a $1,000 hosting bonus just for helping a friend achieve a check, and I could host as many of them as I would like, I had to say yes to that.
You can earn more with the $2,500 business centers. IMDs earn the $2,500 centers by qualifying in the optional Save and Earn More program. Each IMD begins with 2 teams, but can add a third or a fourth team as their business grows. IMDs should talk with their upline leader about starting additional teams for the greatest success. In this example, you're working with 2 teams, Bob and Sue, and your top center has 10 and 10. Remember, retail membership sales from you and or your team's sales create points. When you have a minimum of 10 points on each side of your business, you earn a $1,500 commission. Now, let's look at an example of the commission earned when you achieve 10 and 10, but with additional teams, and when you qualify with the $2,500 business centers. You start with 2 IMDs, Bob and Sue, that are also making sales. When you reach 10 and 10, you earn $1,500 on your top center. In the following week, when you start your 3rd team with Tom and are qualified for the $2,500 center and have 10 points, you'll earn $2,500 on this center. Why? You're getting to count Bob's points twice. Bob, Tom, and Sue's points count twice for your top center and the $2,500 business center.
You can have additional business centers that for just 10 more points, you earn $2,500 and you can have more than one of them.
When you start your 4th team with Mary and are qualified for the $2,500 center and have 10 points, you will earn $2,500 on this center. And because of the additional business centers, you'll earn a total of $6,500. Let's review. Tom's 10 points are 10 new points on the left side of our top center. And Mary's 10 points are 10 new points on the right side of our top center to make the $1,500, while the extra $5,000 comes from the placement of Tom's 10 points and Mary's 10 points off the right side of the $2,500 centers, creating the 10 and 10 for each of them. To assist you in clearly seeing how the points count twice and the power of our unique compensation plan, consider the following example. Let's say you're working with 2 business centers and have started your 3rd team. At the end of this week, you have 10 points under Bob's team, while your Sue team has only 7 points. But because there's 3 new points under Mary, you still have a total of 10 points on the right side of your top center. Sue's 7 points plus Mary's 3 points makes a total of 10 points on the right side of your top business center, creating $1,500. Do you see how all the points, regardless of if they're under Sue or Mary, are all counting for your top business center? Not to mention, your $2,500 business center now sits at 7 points and 3 points toward its own 10 and 10.
Our son, who's covered by our premium membership, was able to purchase this truck with the income as an independent marketing director, and we were able to save on our auto and home insurance with our membership.
Remember, the points hold, so you could achieve the 10 and 10 as often as weekly, or you might hit the 10 and 10 twice a month or twice a year. Life gets busy. We understand. It's your business, and if you maintain your qualification, we hold the points. So whenever you have time to share the membership with others and achieve the minimum of 10 and 10, Team National pays you commission. It's easy to get started fitting this into your schedule. Bottom line, you're in control to enjoy life on your terms.
And by me actually looking for the catch and what was wrong with it, I actually convinced myself this was the best thing I'd ever seen.
Saving money and earning money through Team National is awesome, but working together as husband and wife is a difference for us.
As a result of the time and energy we've devoted to Team National, we're now in the top 2% of income earners for the state of South Carolina.
We're just ordinary people living an extraordinary lifestyle.
Napoleon Hill, author and lecturer of Principles of Success, said, deliberately seek the company of people who influence you to think and act on building the life you desire.
Join our mission to help enrich people's lives while providing everyday savings. Live your life on your terms. Stop dreaming about the life you want to live and act today to enjoy success. Start the journey. Join Team National.
We do not guarantee success or earnings. Visit teamnationalusa.com/business opportunity for the income earnings disclosure.
Hello, my name is Robert Faison. I'm the National Sales Director for Team National, and I'm often asked, why Team National? I mean, there's obviously hundreds of home-based business opportunities out there. What makes Team National different? What sets it apart? Well, I made a short list here of 10 different reasons. I want to run over them with you real quick. And the first one is, ask yourself this question. Would you buy what they're selling even if there was not an opportunity for you to earn money? Would you still buy it? And of course, Team National sells a membership that for only about $1 a day or even less, you can use that membership to purchase things you're already going to buy anyway, and it'll save you many times that. In other words, would you spend, say, $33 a month if you got back, as an example, $100 a month? And I think we all know the answer to that is an absolute yes for pretty much everybody. I think the number one problem in America today is the economy. I think we all know that. Well, how do you fix that? Well, you could cut expenses and increase income. I would say that would pretty much take care of it. Well, that's what Team National specializes in. Let's face it, money's not a fad. Next year, 5 years, 20 years from now, people still going to want to put money back in their pocket rather than give it to someone else. So that's the number one reason. Number two is they have the highest payout in the industry of any direct selling company that I've ever seen. And the reason is because other companies in this industry, even though they have different products and services that they offer, they really have the same concept. And that concept is that they market that product or service through the organization who buys that product either to use or to sell to others. And the upline, so to speak, the people above that purchase, gets a small percentage of whatever that product costs. Well, several people doing this adds up to a lot. So that means the products are normally way overpriced. Now, that's pretty common in this industry, but Team National actually flips that upside down and says, we're going to mark the product down so you save your money back many times over the cost of your membership. This allows Team National to put more money into the pay plan. So literally doing the same thing with Team National that you would be doing with another direct selling or home-based business company, you could earn as much as 2-3 times as much or more because of that high payout in the marketing plan. Highest payout that I'm aware of in the direct selling industry. Number three, just our first progression bonus is $1,500. You know, that's more than the average annual earnings for a distributor in most direct selling companies that are members of the Direct Selling Association. And you could earn that as fast as your first week in business with Team National. Okay, number four, how about a free trip, a free cruise, or something fun? The company does all kinds of promotions, and I believe for the least amount of revenue, the absolute best reward, for instance, as little as 2 retail membership sales in some of our contests can get you a free cruise for 2. I mean, Team National's always rewarding their IMDs with exciting contests. You can get off to a fast start and earn something really quick. Number 5, weekly pay, not monthly pay. We don't hold on to your money for a whole month or month and a half before we pay you. Number 6, there's no monthly or weekly qualifier. In most direct selling companies, you're required to do X number of dollars of personal volume, so much group volume in order to qualify for your check. Team National's qualification is only 2 retail membership sales per year. So 2 sales of either our 2-year standard membership or our lifetime premium membership per year keeps you bonus qualified. And you can go at your own pace. The points hold indefinitely. For instance, our progression bonus, 10 points on the left and 10 points on the right of your business earns you $1,500. Well, that can happen weekly, but if it happened, let's say just once a month, your points would hold week to week and continue to add up until you get your 10 and 10 and get paid. So you're able to work at your own pace and not be penalized for not reaching a monthly or weekly quota. Number 7, points count through unlimited depth. Now, this is really cool because it allows you to actually place new retail membership sales down deep in your organization, at the bottom of the line of your business, for instance, to help your team because those points count through infinity. So as an example, if you made a lifetime membership sale and placed it at the bottom of your left line, and let's say there's 20 IMDs in that line already, well, the 3 points created by that sale that you made would actually count for all 20 of those IMDs as well as for you to help each of you reach your 10 and 10. And it doesn't take money out of your pocket to do that because number 8 is our hosting bonus. Now, everybody you personally introduce, you're known as their host in the business. Every time they hit their 10 and 10 progression and earn $1,500, the company will send you a $1,000 hosting bonus. So in the example I just gave, the points from the retail membership sale that you placed under those 20 independent marketing directors counted to help them too, but yet you're still the host. So if that person also chooses to become an independent marketing director and work the business, when they hit their 10 and 10 and earn $1,500, you would get that $1,000 hosting bonus. The hosting bonus is unlimited. You can host as many people as you want. And another neat aspect of this is if you host a bunch of people on one side of your business and some on your other side, and the one side doesn't really take off, maybe they're not even independent marketing directors. Maybe they're just retail membership sales using the savings. Well, most companies wouldn't pay you anything for that. You'd be what's known as one-sided or one-legged in the business. But in our business, if you had 5 people on that one side earn a progression check that week, that would earn you $5,000. Now, some people say they don't have time to do this business, and I say it's okay. Introduce it to some people that do have time to do this business, and they could still earn you as much as $1,000 a week in hosting bonus alone if they're very successful at it. Now, number 9 and actually number 10 go together, and that's family. You're building this business not just for you, but you're building a legacy that you can leave for many years to come because your business is willable. And if you build your Team National business to a good residual income, then your children or loved ones, whoever you choose to leave it to, would be able to continue to reap those rewards. And if it's a platinum business or above, it's even exempt from becoming bonus qualified. In other words, they don't have to go make the 2 sales a year any longer to keep that coming in. Also, let's say you have a child or a grandchild that's covered under your premium membership, and then later in life, maybe they just turned 18 or even later, they just decide to become an independent marketing director and start working the business. Well, this company will allow you to place them in a business center above one of your existing lines of business where really half of their business is already built for them. I don't know of any other company in the whole direct selling industry that allows you to do that. Now, those are the 10 reasons that I say why Team National, and I'll wrap up with this. I believe, as I said earlier, that Team National has the solution to the number 1 problem in America today. And I also believe that less than 1/2 of 1% of the people in America have even heard of Team National. And I think in a lifetime of opportunities, I honestly believe Team National is the opportunity of a lifetime. So we want to invite you to jump on board and help us make Team National a household name.
So that gives you the information on that. We will be posting these online tonight, and possibly it may take through tomorrow to get all of our webinars we did tonight online. But you can contact us. Our phone number is 662-912-3914. Again, that number is 662-912-3914, and we'll be glad to help you with any of these that are possible. To let you know, royalty is around the world, so no matter where you are in the world, you can get it. Team National is U.S. based only. So that gives you a little information. Hope to be able to help you. Thank you. Have a good night. And since tomorrow is Halloween, happy Halloween.